In this lesson, we will learn what are prompts. With that, we will also learn what is prompt engineering as well as who are prompt engineers. So the role of prompt engineers are becoming popular. Let's see. Now let's see what is a prompt. Prompt is basically the input that a user types. I told you text to image, text to text, text to video. So those were the prompts. What will happen when a user will type the input? It will go to the AI model to get a specific response. A new response will be generated. That's the purpose of generative AI, to generate a new content in the form of text, images, videos. Okay. You can also consider it as a query. It describes the task that an AI should perform. Let's say you typed, I want to write an email to my boss for 5 days leave. Okay, so the response will get generated. What is prompt engineering? It means crafting specific instructions that can be understood by the AI model and to get responses in real time. That means what you will type and the result will get generated immediately. I've just shown you the images I generated. Also, you can generate text from your text prompt. Now, what do prompt engineers do? So the role of prompt engineers are becoming popular because if you know how to craft prompts properly, you can easily generate results, because a lot of these prompts are limited. Copilot provided daily, but you only get 15 boosts in a day. Also for text, you have some tokens. Token you can consider half a word or 0.75 of a word. Okay, so those are also limited for a day. Those keep on changing. So you can learn more about tokens here from this link. Okay, here it is, how many tokens and characters, and it's written 100 tokens is equal to 75 words. I told you 3/4 of a word. With that, you can also learn about these. OpenAI introduced ChatGPT. DALI also belongs to OpenAI. Okay, and OpenAI collaborated with Microsoft. Okay, ChatGPT was funded by Microsoft, so they collaborated, and now we have DALI for Copilot also. We will see this later. Here you can learn about the current models of OpenAI also. We all know ChatGPT 4, GPT-4o right now, and you can learn about the tokens also. Okay, the access to GPT-4 is limited. After 2 or 3 text prompts or a single image generation, it will say that that's it, a limit. You can check it after 24 hours for new prompts. Okay, I'm talking about the free version here, but for pricing, you can learn about the pricing here completely, and also about the other models. It's also showing what is a token. Okay, and other details.